Okay, now that I've got the door panel off, these 3 screws have to come out. Golly bum. I didn't know I put them in there that tight. I'll be back. Oh, shoot. Time to drill them on. Got it. Now I gotta unscrew this thing. Take this glass rail loose. Oh man, back there for another socket. Okay, got that out. Got that off. That little thing right there has got to come off. There we go. Got it. Oh, I see it's got a little doodad thing on there. Okay, take these 2 things here off. There's 2. Okay, now I gotta see what this other chingassy thing is. That comes off there. At least I got that one out of the way. Got it. That was one of those dog leg clips. Dang. Okay, got this thing out. I gotta change this. Well, here's my workbench. Oh man, parts went everywhere. That's great. Now I don't know nothing. And then this thing here should just slide off. Goes right there. This little doodad has to go into that little whatchamacallit. And they are lined up, so it just snaps right in. But now, I don't know where these pieces went. I hope this is in the right place. This hooks on underneath this with that little plastic doodaddy. Screw goes in here. That's in there. That's snapped on there. And I just keep losing screws. Oh boy. I hope like I put the right one on there. Find out here in a minute. Okay, I hooked these two on. They'll only go one way. Okay, now I've got to get this thing in there. I hope I can remember where all this stuff went. Oh boy, howdy. This one here goes up into that one way up here. Try to get that on there. Okay, got that. See, got this one rod on to that thing, and then clip that thing over so it don't fall off. This one, oh, there we go. Okay, this one goes here. Okay, now we have to raise it up and put our only good screw we have in here. Okay, that's the only good screw I've got. Yeah, I gotta try to remember all these other rods that I hooked up. I don't remember any of them. Let's see what there is. This rod here went somewhere. Well, my memory's just not as good as it used to be. I think. Came out here. Oh yeah. Came out here to the to this thing. So now I gotta figure out where it hooks in. Oh, okay. I'll bet that's where the rod goes, right there. When I was, this thing right there flew off when I was, okay, there we go. I hope that's right. I don't know. Let's get the handle and see. Yeah, so then this will go here once I get the thing screwed back in. Okay. Let's get that back over here and get another screw in there again. I got a piece of this window track. I don't know how it goes in here. Oh, I think I got it. I think it was just by sheer luck. Got the window track in. Wow. Got to be an easier way. Well, all I can say is just put the key in there and see if it'll lock and unlock. Sure hope I got the right locking mechanism in there. Okay, good. Well, for right now, that's good enough for me. Just screw this thing on. Well, we got these little buttons that go in here. One there. Okay. And goes there. And this hooks onto here. It will only go on one way. Another one here. What is that to? I don't know. Something has got it. And I don't know what. I think this rod is on backwards. Let's see if that's it. Gotta hook this up on there. Okay, turn that. This is that two-hopper dopper. Okay, we've got to put this somehow. Work our way to get that on. Oh, by golly, I got it. Nope. Nope. Ah, that time I did. This screw. There's one. Okay, there's that one. Like I say, they'll only go one way. There's that one. There's that one. Okay, got that. Okay, it works. Hot dog. Right here. Okay, that tightened up. Only one problem, I got one screw left. I don't know where it goes. I just found out where it went. The anti-theft device. Oh well. Alright. On my way to Ace Hardware before they close to get me a couple of more screws.